If someone offered you $1 million, but you couldn't wake up tomorrow morning, what would you do? Sounds funny, right? But think about it, $1 million to spend today and you won't see tomorrow. Would anyone actually say yes? Probably not. And that proves it. Tomorrow is worth more than $100 million. This video is called Stop Wasting Your Life. But I'm not talking about life, I'm talking about time. We fear dying because life ends that day. But why don't we fear wasting time? We love life, but why not time? Life only exists in time. Stop time and life stops. Speed it up and life ends in a blink. Time is what keeps life moving. 2026 has already started, and if you're watching this in January, there are still 11 months left. Everyone has limited time, yet results at the end of the year are very different. Why? Because someone like Elon Musk is working 100 to 120 hours a week, going all out while someone else? Just waiting for luck. Luck doesn't reward the idle. Daily effort is everything. Any day could be the lucky day, but if you're not working, it passes you by. Time is like a horse, it runs fast, and it waits for no one. Everything has a price, but no one can buy even a second of time. You can either ride this horse or let it go. Everything else, wealth, fame, possessions, they can return. Time cannot. Remember that line from the movie? Even if I gave you all the money in the world, you couldn't buy a single moment. That's exactly what we waste, our precious moments. We all get 86,400 seconds per day. Think of it as money that must be spent today. Even $1 million may feel small if spent instantly. But spread over 30 years, that same $1 million feels huge. We don't value money as much as we value time. If you've wasted time so far, it's okay. But now, let's learn to ride the horse of time. The two biggest mistakes people make: thinking they are weak and wasting time. This video isn't just motivational, it's scientifically proved. Real-life examples: Winston Churchill walking briskly, a reporter says hello. He replies with wit, showing that time is more valuable than fame. Abraham Lincoln grew up poor, but used his time wisely and became President of the United States. Warren Buffett started investing young, selling sodas and candy door to door, learning to invest time before moan. Time can make a beggar a king, and a king a beggar. Why do we waste time? Lack of energy? Lack of purpose? Do it tomorrow is the biggest enemy. Time moves, whether you act or not. Harvard research found the best productivity method: time boxing. Pack every task with a specific time. Stop making endless to-do lists. Focus on SMART goals. Specific, know exactly what you want, measurable, how long it will take, achievable, can it be done realistically? Relevant, does it match your values and interests? Time-bound, set start and finish dates. Time boxing helps you take control of every hour, minute, and second. Would you use Instagram if it cost $1? Sure. What if it cost $2 million? Probably not. Time is currency. Know its value. 6 hours of work per day has a measurable price. How you spend your time decides your life's value. Don't kill time. It won't wait for you. Every moment is precious. Invest it wisely. Take full control of every day, every hour, every minute. And hey, if you want more tips to level up your mind, productivity, and life, make sure to subscribe to Mindshift Lab, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's ride the horse of time together.